To automate adding a column in Monday.com, you first need to understand the basics of the platform and its automation capabilities. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage projects and workflows in a visual and customizable way. Automation in Monday.com enables you to streamline repetitive tasks and focus on high-priority work. The first step in automating the addition of a column is to access the automation feature. This can be done by clicking on the automation button, which is usually represented by a gear icon or the word automate, depending on the layout of your board. Once you click on this, you will be directed to the Automation Center where you can create new automations. In the Automation Center, you will see a prompt that asks you to choose a trigger. A trigger is an event that sets off your automation. In this case, the trigger could be when a new item is added to your board or when the status of an item changes. Choose the trigger that best fits your needs. After selecting your trigger, you will be asked to choose an action. The action is what happens as a result of your trigger. To automate adding a column, you would look for an action that allows you to add a column. However, Monday.com's automation does not directly support adding columns as an action. Instead, you can use the integration with third-party services like Zapier or Integromat to achieve this functionality. Using Zapier, for example, you can create a zap that triggers when a specific event happens in Monday.com and then adds a new column as the action. To do this, you connect your Monday.com account to Zapier, choose the trigger event, and then select the action to add a column. You will need to specify the details of the column you want to add, such as its name and type. Another approach to automating the addition of columns in Monday.com is to use the platform's API. Monday.com provides an API that allows developers to build custom integrations and automations. Using the API, you can write a script that adds a new column to your board based on specific conditions. This method requires programming knowledge and is more suitable for advanced users or organizations with dedicated development resources. Best practices for automating column addition in Monday.com include testing your automations thoroughly to ensure they work as expected, documenting your automations so that other team members can understand how they work, and regularly reviewing your automations to ensure they remain relevant and efficient. In conclusion, while Monday.com does not directly support automating the addition of columns through its built-in automation feature, you can achieve this functionality by using third-party integrations like Zapier or by leveraging the platform's API. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your workflow and make the most out of Monday.com's capabilities.